expect them to build up a little bit later on in the forecast. Beautiful shot from our Mount Tam camera. Look at that. Nice oranges off towards the distance with a little bit of red at work here. Then some lower level clouds, our lower level moisture always checking in. Storm Tracker is noticing a little deck of some cloud cover upstream, just a touch here. But beyond that, looks like a sun and clouds mixture for today. More sun today than yesterday. 40s around the bay. Some chilly 30s inland for some of those inland valleys. We're seeing that in some pockets up north as well. Now, this is what I'm talking about. You know, the clouds kind of coming and going through all of this. You can't completely shake them off. But again, you're going to see a good deal of sunshine, though, expected for today on balance, opening up a little bit overnight. We do a little bit of the same song and dance for Monday, although a little bit more sunshine. And you see that change? Right there at the very end of Monday, there's a change in the flow pattern, and it's actually most apparent through those winds. Relatively uneventful for today. You know, the typical northwesterly pattern, it's almost like it's stuck there. Then we get to Monday night, whack, into Tuesday morning, there's a powerful offshore flow event. Now, we have good insulation because of recent rains. This would be normally alarm bells for us, but it's okay because we've had this recent rains to help out and give us some insulation. Folks in SoCal are going to be watching this all week long because they have offshore winds all week long here. We're going to have some breakups happening here, but you get the general idea of us being dry with a decent amount of sunshine. Variable clouds, more sun today than yesterday, mild 60-ish for a high. Tomorrow, we got a few clouds going on here near 60, windy late. That's the offshore winds. And then for this week ahead, looks pretty nice, mostly sunny and all that, popping to about mid-60s come Thursday and looks good heading into next weekend. 3-day forecast, that is the next few days there, partly cloudy for you a bit. That's kind of how the computer sees this variable cloudy business. By Tuesday, becoming breezy or windy if you prefer, and that will be from the offshore direction as well. So, again, we have some insulation because of recent rains, but you'll hear about some fire concerns down in Southern California. Some pockets there that look really not so good for those offshore winds. Particularly the Coachella Valley, which you don't hear about too often. They don't have, there's a high wind watch in a lot of Southern California. They don't usually have that for an offshore wind. It's usually an onshore wind in the spring, so a little weird.
Okay, hope everybody stays safe down there.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks so much, Dave.
Sure.